Hey, it's your cheat day, or maybe you just want to have a quick and easy dessert after dinner that feels comforting and tastes incredible. I just found the perfect set and forget dessert that can be ready in no time: the Japanese cheesecake.
I'm trying the viral 2-ingredient Japanese cheesecake, but I'm spicing it up.
We're going to put these in the fridge for 24 hours.
There are a couple of variations going around. We'll try to make two of the most popular ones. Okay, let's talk ingredients. You're going to need some Greek yogurt, any Greek yogurt that you prefer, but just make sure it's plain one or vanilla flavored. Then you're going to need cream cheese if you're doing the cream cheese version, and make sure that one as well is not the flavored or garlic and herb one. You want original Philly cream cheese. Some instant pudding mix. This one is only for the Greek yogurt version. You'll need Oreos or some biscuit of lotus cookies, whichever you prefer. Lastly, you'll need some vanilla extract. Now, to spice it up, if you want to have authentic vanilla flavor, I found these vanilla bean pods at Costco, which gives a silky and smooth vanilla flavor. Now, depending on which variation you're making, you're gonna need only one of these, either the Philly cream cheese or the Greek yogurt, and either of the cookies. Okay. This is about half of the box, let's say 375 grams. At this point, you're going to add either your vanilla extract or, in my case, I'm going to use the vanilla bean. Now, to use this, you need to split it in half. And depending on the quantity you're using, you might not even use the whole pot. So you gotta split it in half. That. Using your knife, you have to scrape it. This is the actual vanilla bean paste that comes out of it. It's very grainy to the hand and has a really smooth and silky texture. Let's scrape this one too. Okay, these, don't throw it away. You can still reuse those. Usually I like to put them in my tea or my coffee. Next, let's add the instant pudding mix. 1.5 tablespoons. If you like any sugar, you can add sugar according to your taste. Let's give this a quick mix. Now when mixing, you'll see that vanilla bean paste getting spread out through the yogurt. Once that's done, that's good enough. You don't really need to mix anymore. Now you sink those in. This looks fine. That's for the Greek yogurt one. You need to at least let them rest for 24 hours. If you're too eager, a minimum of 2 hours would be good. Okay, let's do the cream cheese one. I'm using about half of this. Okay, I'm gonna add some sugar in this one instead of the vanilla pudding instant mix. This is just to give it consistency. The Greek yogurt tends to be a bit looser. Cream cheese already has that consistency and it's gonna hold itself together. We don't really need to use this. Okay, let's add the cookies now. Actually, is this one in here? Okay, yeah. All right, these one, you can either eat it right away, but I'd still suggest you let it set for around 2 hours. not for the consistency and the texture, but so that the cookies absorb that liquid from the cream cheese and they soften a bit. Okay, it's been 2 hours. The cookies must have softened a bit now. Let's have a taste. Okay, let's try the one with the cream cheese. Let's give a try to the Biscoff one. Let's get into the breakdown. The individual ingredient items would cost you more, but this is per serving. The cream cheese one would run you around $2.61, and the Greek yogurt one is going to run you around $2.20. Rating wise, the cream cheese is 8.5, smooth, silky, ticks all the right boxes. And for the Greek yogurt one, it's 7.8, just because it's a little tad bit too sour for me, but super healthy and protein packed. Difficulty, it's super easy to make. It literally took 2 minutes to mix and leave into the fridge. You gotta let it sit between 2 to 24 hours just for the cookies to soften up. You can either mix it, let it in the fridge in the morning and come back to it at night, or you can do it the night before. This is a perfect dessert for cheesecake lovers. Quick and easy to make. I'll leave the recipe down in the description. I hope you guys will make it at home too. Cheers!